家好，我是小番茄。今天我用英语来给大家介绍一道中国的家常菜——西兰花炒虾仁。
Ingredients: 1 broccoli, 150 grams of shrimp, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 spoonful of light soy sauce, 1 spoonful of oyster sauce, 1 spoonful of cooking oil, 1 spoonful of starch, 1 spoonful of cooking wine, and a little salt. Directions. Number 1. Wash the broccoli and cut into small pieces. Number 2. Add the wine and starch to marinate the shrimp to make the shrimp more smooth and tender. Number 3. Cut the garlic into minced pieces. Number 4. Pour the right amount of water into the pot, boil the water, pour in the broccoli, cook for about 1 minute, remove and drain the water for later use. Number 5. Pour the right amount of oil into the hot pot. Add the minced garlic and stir-fry the aroma. Then add the shrimp and fry. Number 6. After frying the shrimp, add broccoli. Put a spoonful of soy sauce, a spoonful of oyster sauce. Salts can be placed according to the individual taste. Then it can be out of the pot if stir-fry evenly.
「西兰花炒虾仁」这道菜营养美味又低脂，我在家经常做，大家也可以试试哦。